Do you know what types of classroom languages can we use in our English class? If you want to know the answer to these questions, then this video is for you. So let's start. Today we discuss about some classroom languages on specific areas. I mean classroom language on some specific areas. Are you able to use classroom language properly? If you can't, then you can use this. What is the language for greetings? When we start a class, we need to greet each other. How do we communicate to students? Good morning. Good afternoon, students. How are you? Are you all right? Sit down, please. What is the language for getting attention? Listen to me. Look at me. Attention, please. Listen carefully. What is the language for starting the lesson? When you start a lesson, you have to say something to your students. Then you can use open at page number 31. Turn to page. Read this to me. Go to next page. Copy me. Follow me. Or start here. What is the language for starting an activity? We are going to start. Listen carefully. Do it like this. Say it with me. Are you ready? What is the language for starting an activity? Do it now. Read it now. Face down your book. Write this in your notebook or khata. Do the writing on page. Finishing an activity. When you finish an activity, then you can use this language. Have you finished? Has everyone finished? Stop writing, please. Close your book. It is time to stop. It is time for next activity. Time is over. What is the language for use Blackboard? When you use this your classroom's Blackboard, then you can use come to the Blackboard, write it on the board, draw a picture, rub it off or clean it or clean the board. Now you can go to your seat. You can sit down now. Thank you. Showing teaching aids. When you show your teaching aid for elicit the lesson title or for better understanding the students, then you can use look at the picture, think about it. What can you see in the picture? What else can you see? Who can say? Raise your hand. Excellent. Ending the lesson or class, you can use like this. Stop. We are finishing now. Do it at home. Give it to me tomorrow. The bill has gone. See your text tomorrow. See you next. See you next or tomorrow. Take care. Have a good time. Goodbye. No more today. Thanks for watching.